If your vehicle is equipped with a power driver's seat, push this switch forward or backward to move your seat in either direction. Push down or pull up on the middle of the switch to move the seat up or down. Push this switch backward to recline the seat or forward to bring the seat upright. If so equipped, the power lumbar support feature provides lower back support to the driver. Push this switch forward or backward to adjust the seat lumbar support. If your vehicle is equipped with manual front seat adjustments, reach down and find this lever under the front seat. Pull up on it while you slide the seat forward or backward to your desired position. Release the lever to lock the seat in that position. To recline the front seat backs manually, pull this lever and lean back. To bring the seat upright, pull the lever and lean forward. Pull up or push down on this lever to adjust the driver's seat height. Pull one of these knobs to fold the rear seats forward for added trunk space. When returning any seat back to the upright position, be certain it is completely secured in the latched position. Please see your owner's manual for important safety information, system limitations, and additional operating and feature information.